All right, we're going to start with this. A monomial, and I may have spelled it wrong, but it's a monomial, has one term or one family. And you see what I mean. A binomial has two terms or two families in the expression. And a trinomial has three terms or family in the expression. Let me show you what I mean. All right, so once again, monomial has one term. And this is the one term, 3x squared. 3x squared or 3x to the second power. That's, one term. Or if I'm going to be family. A binomial, you see the word, the part bi, bi? Bi means two, like bicycle. All right. Okay. 3x squared plus 6x. That's a binomial. 3x squared plus 6x. Bi, all right? And then tri, T-R-I, means three. All right, so it's kind of Latin, so I think it is Latin. Trinomial, T-R-I is Latin, so that means three. So here we go, 3x squared plus 6x plus 24. So what we're going to show you is something that involves all of this. So here's the problem. Open parentheses, 2x minus 5, close parentheses, open parentheses, 3x minus 4. Now, since we have those two terms in parentheses, we're going to multiply them. When you ever have something next to a parentheses, it means multiply. By the way, 2x minus 5, what type of term is that? It would be binomial because it's two of them in here, right? And so 3x minus 4 would be a binomial because it has two terms. This is the first term, and this is the second term. So it has two terms, it's a binomial. Now let's solve it. Oops, made a mistake. I said solve, and I should have said simplify. We're actually simplifying this. So let's go. All right, we're going to simplify, C-I-S-I-M-P-L-Y, simplify. That's simplify. As long as you're not being a simp, but you're going to simplify. All right, so look, we're going to use the FOIL method, and that's F-O-I-L. That's first, outer, inner, last. First, outer, inner, last. Well, what's the first term? First term is 2x. And we're going to multiply by the other first term, 3x. So we have 2x times 3x. So 2x times 3x. 2 times 3 is 6. And x times x is x squared. Now here's something we got to pay attention to. We're ready to move. All right, so x plus x is 2x. You over here? You got it? Okay. Now, x times x is x squared. 2 times x is 2x. So there's a big difference. All right, so 2 times 3 would be the 6. X times x would be x squared. Now, that was the outer. That was the first part, right? Now we're going to go to the outer. So this is the out, this is the outer. So now we have 2x times 4. So 2x times 4, 2x times 4. All right, so we're going to multiply the number. So 2 times 4 is 8, and we carry the x. So it's 8x. All right, good. So we just did the outer. Now we're going to do the inner. So that's negative 5 times 3. Negative 5 times 3 is going to give you 15. And we're going to carry the x. So that's when you give us negative 15x, because a negative number times a positive number is a negative number. So we have 15x, negative 15x. All right. And now we're going to do the last number. So that's the last part of the term, and that's the last part of the term. So negative 5 times negative 4. A positive times a negative is negative, but a negative times a negative is a positive. So 5 times 4 is 20. So now what we have is 6x squared plus 8x minus 15x plus 20. Now, we're getting back to the terms. So I see here that these are like terms. See, this is the x squared family. This is the 8x. So that's the x family. Negative 15x, that's the x family. And this is the number family. So I can combine 8x minus 15x. I can combine them because they're in the same family. All right, so 8 times 15 is going to be negative 7. So it's going to give me negative 7x. So now I have 6x squared minus 7x plus 20. And this will be the final answer. 6x squared minus 7x plus 20. All right, so what is this? This is a I spelled that wrong, nomial. And look, it's in standard form because this is the highest exponent. This is the next highest exponent. If you don't see an exponent, it's really a 1 there. This one has no exponent at all. So 2, 1, 0. This is what we call standard form. So 6x squared minus 7x plus 20, that's the answer. Stop.